Hello everyone, this is Teacher Rockie and welcome again to our YouTube channel. For today's video we will share how you can earn money using your Facebook Reels. Yes, you heard it right. You can also earn money by just posting video in your Facebook Reels. And to give you all the information about this, just watch this video until the end. Hello again viewers, I know that you are very excited to our topic for today, and that is, how to earn money on Facebook Reels. Facebook Reels is a new feature of Facebook where you can create short, entertaining videos, just like TikTok videos and YouTube Short. Reels you create will appear in places like Facebook feed, the Reels section on Facebook, or your Reels profile. And there are 4 ways to earn money on Facebook Reels. First one is by stars. This is one of the monetization tools of Facebook where your viewers or fans can send stars in your uploaded video in your Facebook Reels. The stars that you will earn through this have an equivalent value to $. So make sure the content that you will create is very entertaining or your audience will learn something new from your content. So they will love sending stars in your video. Second is by overlay ads. This is the new feature of Facebook, and not all content creator is eligible to this. Because you don't need to apply for this, Facebook is the one who will invite you to this tools, and if you already part of this, ads will appear in all of your Reels video. Third is by doing affiliate marketing. This is very popular today's because a lot of content creator have already earned million by just doing affiliate marketing. So how does affiliate marketing work? If someone buy to your generated link, you will get a commission from the item they bought. And there are a lot of online sites that offer affiliate program like Ecomobi, Involve Asia, Shopee Direct, and Lazada Direct. If you want to start in this platform, the link is available in the description box of this video. And to give you further information about this program, we will create a separate video of this 4 online site, so you can easily understand how affiliate marketing work in this website. So don't forget to subscribe, so you will be always updated if we have new videos. And the last is by doing paid partnership or brand collaboration. To earn from this, you must need to collaborate to some brand, where you can promote their product by featuring it to your Reels video. The earning from this is depend to you and to the brand that you do a collaboration. So if you also want to earn money in your Facebook Reels, create your own video now and upload it in your Facebook Reels, because this new feature of Facebook can be your passive income today and the future ahead. This is the end of this video. If you have questions or suggestions, just share it in the comment section or message us in our Facebook page, Teacher Rockie. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.